Hey guys, I'm here to show you my design team package for ASC Supplies on Etsy. It's only the 26th and I already have my design team package. I'm so happy. So anyway, they're having a giveaway. You can use this code for 4 more days. Well, I don't know. How many more days do we have left? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 more days. Okay. To receive 10% off your order and be entered into a chance to win a spooky mystery box. How fun is that? All right, guys. So I got a couple of stamps. I got these 2 stamps from Lavinia Stamps. And I just thought this one would be stunningly gorgeous on a card. Heat emboss and use some Tim Holtz Distress Oxides. I'm excited to work with this stamp. And I've seen a bunch of videos with this, or not videos, but Pinterest cards with this stamp. And I've got some big ideas for this one. So, yeah. I actually have a Lavinia stamp video already made and waiting, I think for Friday. So stay tuned. That'll be coming out. But these I'm going to do a tutorial on. So stay tuned for that. All right. Who can go to ASC Supplies without picking up some Stamperia? And this is what I'm going to tell you why. I have said before about the prices. $10.75, guys. $10.75. So the deer stamp is $8.80, and this butterfly stamp was $12.25. I'm not telling you cannot find a better price on Lavinia or the Stamperia. I don't know about Lavinia because I don't know anybody else who carries Lavinia, but for Stamperia, I'm not kidding you. There are companies out there charging $6 more than what you can get it for at ASC Supplies. So definitely check it out. And the cool thing about Stamperia is you can cut out all of these things on the cover because it's exactly the same as the paper. It's not all shiny and looks different. You can fussy cut off of this first page. Look at that. So happy. Somebody actually said to me the other day, they were like, Rena, why didn't you get Vintage Christmas? And I was like, oh, they didn't have it. And they got it in. So here it is. Cute, cute cut aparts. And then on the back of the cut aparts isn't just plain old paper. It's gorgeous places to write your journaling. Look at this one. Oh, that is a beautiful tree. Cherry Christmas, it says. Cheery Christmas. And then the little stockings. These cut aparts. Just, you can make beautiful cards. You can make mini albums. You can make journals. You can alter things. I mean, you can do a layout. This is perfect for a layout. Look at that. I love it. Just gorgeous. This would even be great to make a recipe album. So pretty. Look at the gingerbread people. And then you got all these little tags and cut aparts. Candy canes. Look at that. That would be gorgeous for a layout also. I'm not a big layout person, but every once in a while, I need to do one. This would be beautiful. All right. I got 2 of these, and I had just placed an order 2 weeks ago and got like 3 or 4 different collections. So this haul is a little bit small. So here is my other one. So I got 2 of those. and the stamps, and I got another old lace. I have another partially used pack, and I was like, I need another one. I need to hoard. Again, you can cut out from the front, but let's just go in and look at it. This is what I used to do my configuration box a couple weeks, no, probably a month ago, that now lives in Australia. She received it. I got her email. She received the configuration box. Just absolutely fabulous. I so wish my mother was like into the kind of stuff I am. I would be sending her stuff all the time. But she's a clean and simple gal, and I am not. I am over the top. Gild the lily to the nth degree. So I'm not sure yet. I kind of thought maybe I'd do another configuration box, but we shall see. Let me know, because I did two journals out of this collection and the configuration box. Tell me what you'd like to see out of this, and I will consider. All right, thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day, guys. Head over to ASC Supplies. Don't forget to use the coupon code and get you some awesomeness. There are so many collections, paper collections over there. So much like Tim Holtz and all kinds of stuff. You just got to go. Please. I will see you next time. Bye.